spring 2012. I can't wait to see you for your new, bold, vivid 5-minute makeovers, but we have a special treat for you here today. We're introducing one of the most profound, sought-after, well-known plastic surgeons of Newport Beach. Let's get started on our interview. And this handsome young doctor is going to answer them for us today. Number one, Dr. Savalia, can you say hi to my ladies?
Hello, ladies. Thank you for having me.
Isn't he cute? Okay, when my girls sit in the chair as aging princesses, which Edgy Elegance Cosmetic deals with, there's two major questions they ask me. Number one, the fine lines start to come in when we're past 30-something. They say, Karynn, what do I do to cover these fine lines and these dark circles? Edgy Elegance Cosmetics has great products, but I can only go so far. What is the solution for a non-invasive, little bit of rejuvenation for the fine lines that start to come? Can you please tell my ladies?
That's a common concern I hear about all the time. Fine lines around the eyes that form over time. I think it's a multiple-pronged approach. You really have to first devote yourself to maintenance and prevention. Prevention being key because sun damage causes a lot of those lines to form. After that, you have repetitive action of the muscles. Every time you smile or squint, you start to see little lines form. You can't prevent those lines from forming. Even my little children have those lines. But the point is that you can minimize their appearance. One of the things you can do is first start with topical creams.
Okay.
I think those have limited value. I think what's better...
I agree with you, even as a makeup artist.
Right. I think what has a little bit more value than that is a little bit of resurfacing, maybe with light peels as an initial step. But the real the bang that you'll get out of treatment there is Botox.
I like that word. Tell us more about Botox.
Botox is an injectable treatment. It's relatively non-invasive. It's a little injection that you drop in a little protein into the muscles that cause those lines to form.
Okay. And
it weakens the muscle action that causes those lines to form. So every time you squint, you won't see that strong line form.
So to soften fine lines.
Exactly.
Excellent. Another thing, Dr. Savalia, that my clients ask me is, as aging princesses, this, I don't know the medical term for it, I used to, but these lines start to show. And additionally, our lips, when we were youthful, you know, we've got our lip toxin and it works so well, but it only does so much. The lips lose their cushiony, young, feminine look. So what do we do here, and what can we do to maybe reform those lips? Can you please give us that information?
Sure. The lines that you're referring to around the mouth, these are called nasolabial folds, otherwise known as laugh lines. These tend to form.
That's how you know them.
Right.
Okay.
Everybody has them. Again, my children, I keep referring to my children, they have them as well. The problem is that as you age, you may start to lose a little bit of volume in your face, specifically around this area as well, and in the lips as well.
Okay.
So one of the mainstays of facial rejuvenation is replacement of that lost volume. We have multiple products that we can use towards that end. We can use Juvederm, which is an injectable filler. We can use Radius, an injectable filler. Restylane, also an injectable filler. These are all fillers that come in a syringe off a shelf. You inject them, and they dissolve away over time, but they do provide a 6 to 9 month period of time where they provide you a good volume replacement, soft, natural.
Not overdone looking.
Not overdone.
Ladies, you've heard it from what I think is one of the best doctors in Newport Beach. Come to Platino Salon and Suites, get your lunchtime, non-invasive surgery. Come see me. We'll hide the bruises after what he does, but I don't think you need it because I know somebody who had some work and she didn't have any bruises. So, ladies, thanks for stopping by. You're going to see more of Dr. Savalia. You're going to hear some more series that we can continue to educate you on the things that are available for us today, because every woman is beautiful at every age. Handsome young Dr. Savalia, we know how much it took for you to come to Edgy Elegance Women today out of your busy schedule. Thank you so much.